Hello everybody, welcome to Lilly Beauty Mantra. Easy ways to make your own shampoo at home. Most people use some form of shampoos on their hair to keep it clean, but some do so without using store-bought shampoos. Perhaps you are looking for something that won't take a toll on your hair or cost a pretty penny. Or perhaps you prefer to know exactly what goes in any beauty products you use. Any of these reasons may cause you to venture away from commercial made shampoos. If so, trying out a homemade DIY shampoo could be the solution for you. The basic for DIY shampoo from scratch. The evidence for homemade shampoos effectiveness is mostly anecdotal. There is not a lot of clinical researches, so we can't truly know whether it is safer or better for your hair than your store-bought shampoos. However, if you are looking for alternative way to keep your scalp and your hair clean, there's plenty you can learn about making your own shampoo from scratch. When you make a shampoo at home, you are able to use higher concentrations of ingredients and the measurements process is not as accurate, says Wallace. This could lead to products that are out of balance and could end up causing more harm than good. Commercially made shampoos are produced in highly controlled environment and have to meet strict safety standards that are set by the government. That still vote for commercial shampoos that are natural over homemade because of the testing process that they would have gone through. DIY shampoo bar recipe are a bit more in depth than liquid shampoo recipes. But if you love the idea of shampoos bar for environmental or travel reasons, then there are plenty of great recipes to try. Many use lye, but the following recipe is lye-free ingredient. 1 cup castor melt and pour soap. 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of castor oil, 1 tablespoon of black molasses, 15 drops of vanilla essence oil, 15 drops of pachitol essential oil and 10 drops of rosemary essential oil. 1 soap mold direction. 1 cup the melt and pour soap base into small cubes. 2. Add to a double boiler aluminium boil in a pan half filled with warm water on low to medium heat. Water should be simmer, not boiling. Third, stir continuously until soap base is melt. Add oils and black molasses, then mix well. Take the bowl off the heat and wait for a minute until slightly cool. Add essential oils and mix well. Pour the mold and let it sit for 24 hours. If you have shortened on time or just prefer to purchase a shampoo bar, the Earthing Co and Lush both have several options that are all natural and free of harmful ingredients. DIY clarifying shampoos. Clarifying shampoos are the most of those deep, clean and typically used sparingly using once per week. These are made to remove product buildup caused by hairspray, hair mousses and other products. And chemical, this recipe is great to use as gently clarifying shampoos. Let's head into the ingredients. 3 to 4 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. 2 cups water direction. 1 pour all ingredients into a 16-ounce bottle. Gentle shake to combine ingredients. You can also check out Abbott Organic Lemon Clarifying Shampoo and Desert Essence Italian Lemon Shampoo if you are rather picking up a clarifying shampoo at the store or online. Natural shampoo, more homemade shampoos will be all natural. But if you want a very simple recipe to try at home, then give this one a go. Ingredients: half cup water, half cup castor soap, and half tablespoon light vegetable or canola oil. Can omit if you have only hair. Direction: gently stir all ingredients. Be careful not to overmix as it will cause it to foam up. Castle soap free. Not everyone believes in the power of Castle soap despite its popularity as a home and beauty product in recent years. One of the main reasons Castle soap isn't used by some is that it has a high HP to 8 to 9 while hair natural HP is around 4 to 5. Luckily, you have options. This is pH balanced shampoo recipe. May be great if you want a recipe free from Castle soaps. Ingredients: 1 can full fat coconut milk, 13.5 oz, 2 tablespoons of raw honey and 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil. 1 tablespoon of castor oil, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of essential oil of your choice. Direction: combine all ingredients, whisk until smooth, shake well before each use for hair growth. While there isn't much research behind homemade shampoos, the researchers behind ingredients that you can put in your shampoo recipe. For instance, a 2014 study, trusted sources found that peppermint oil promotes hair growth without signs of toxicity. Green tea and honey recipe. This green tea and honey recipe may help with hair growth, since green tea helps get rid of dandruff which can cause hair loss, and honey is a great moisturizer for dry hair. Let's check the ingredients. 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 cup of green tea and 1 cup castle soap, 1 tablespoon lime juice or aloe vera, 5 to 10 drops of peppermint and lavender essential oils. Direction: brew green tea leaves or tea bag. Combine green tea with other ingredients and mix well. That's it. Your shampoos are ready. Try any one of these shampoos on your hair to see instant and homemade shampoo results. Cause using out shampoos may contain sulfate which is very harmful for hair. By using homemade shampoos with our liked ingredients can give you better change and good health and good hair. Thank you.